This is a brand new 2013 Cadillac CTS. This car has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, heated seats, an 8-speaker stereo system, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a CD player, leather seats, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, a rear window defroster, and the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Stark Automotive is located at 1423 Highway 51 in Stoughton. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.